Full body workout routine at home. No equipment needed.
Transform your fitness with a balanced routine designed for total body strength and endurance. This guide will show you how to effectively target every major muscle group using just your body weight. No equipment or gym membership is necessary. Perfect for any home workout setup. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a fresh challenge, this routine offers variety and progression.
Warm up. Prepare your body.
Start with a dynamic warm-up to increase your heart rate and loosen your muscles. Spend 5 to 7 minutes on exercises like jumping jacks, high knees, arm circles, and gentle squats. This prep helps prevent injury and gets your body ready for the main workout. Remember, warming up is a key part of any routine, not an optional step.
Upper body exercises.
Engage your chest, shoulders, and arms with bodyweight classics. Perform push-ups to target the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Try incline push-ups with your hands on a raised surface to make it easier, or switch to decline push-ups for more intensity. Add dips using a chair or low surface for extra tricep work. Adjust reps as needed for your fitness level.
Lower body and core strength.
Activate your legs and core with squats, lunges, and planks. Squats build strength in your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Alternate with lunges for single leg focus. For core stability, hold a plank position for 30 to 60 seconds, keeping your body aligned. Repeat each movement 2 to 3 times for a complete lower body and core circuit.
Cool down and stretch.
Finish your workout with a cool down to aid recovery. Practice static stretches targeting major muscle groups, holding each for at least 20 seconds. Focus on your hamstrings, quadriceps, chest, and shoulders. Incorporate deep breathing to help your heart rate return to normal. Regular stretching boosts flexibility and can help prevent soreness after your routine.